Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to do fajitas, family fajitas for under 10 bucks. Can't beat that. Feed the whole family for $10. Have a great meal. Sounds good to you? Sit back, relax, and I'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. We're going to start these fajitas out. Uh, well, we're going to start with chicken. And I buy rotisserie chicken, day old, 262. Sometimes I can get them even cheaper than that for like $2, but today it was 262, and this is a whole complete chicken. Now I do throw mine in the air fryer for about 5 or 6 minutes just to warm it up, kind of get everything loosened up and ready to debone. So let me do that, and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, y'all, got that kind of slightly rewarmed there in the air fryer. So first thing I like to do, just pull that skin off. We'll reserve that for future snacks. And you can put it in your fajitas if you want, but like I said, myself, and the same thing with the wings. I pull those off for a future snack. So. Alright, there's the other wing, throw it there, and then just dig in and start pulling that chicken apart. Really fairly simple to do. Now if you're not worried about the cost, you can buy a fresh rotisserie and just bring her home, and while it's still hot from the store, go ahead and pull it apart. Myself, I buy a couple of these different rotisserie chickens, and I rewarm them in my air fryer because it's awesome. But yeah, it just works out great. My air fryer is big enough that I can actually fit a whole one of these in there. Making sure I don't have a lot of skin on that. That's a piece of skin. We don't want to throw bones in that. Anyways, alright. Flip her over here. Get all this back meat off. If you guys happen to notice the flashing light, I got a LED bulb in my kitchen here that's going bad, getting old. So you may see some flashing here and there. So sorry if it triggers anybody, but alright, I'll put this off to the side and we'll finish getting the rest of the goodness out of there, but you guys kind of get the idea, you know. So alright, give me a minute, we'll bring you right back. Alright, y'all, got that all deboned. Now for the basic recipe, you need about a pound. This will be a little over a pound probably if you use the whole chicken. I did pull some of the breast meat out just to use it for later. I don't want to make a whole big huge batch of this just for me, but yeah, just go through and kind of chop it up into smaller pieces. kind of bite-size, fajita-size pieces. So, all right, that looks pretty good. Dump that into our frying pan here. Get all that goodness off that cutting board. So, all right, there's that. Get that kind of worked down there a little bit. Oh, there's a big piece of gristle right there I seen, so we'll get that out of there. Okay, now let me grab some of the other ingredients and we'll get to actually making these things. Alright, y'all, next thing we need to do, and being this is already pre-cooked, we don't have to cook this first, so we're going to go ahead and add peppers and onions. These are frozen. It's got green and red bell peppers and yellow onion in it. This is a 20-ounce bag, so we're going to add probably half the bag. So, and this is really easy. I mean, this is like super easy. So yeah, there's about half the bag, and we're going to set it to like a medium-low heat because we're just gonna warm that stuff up. Like I said, the chicken's already cooked, so we're going to all we got to do is warm it up and soften the onions and peppers and stuff up. So alright, there's that. We'll get this cooking and we'll bring you back here in just a few minutes. Alright, y'all, we got the chicken cooked and the peppers and onions all done up. So now what we need to do is just a pack of the fajita seasoning. This is McCormick. I usually use store brand, but they didn't have that available, so just kind of dump that over top. And then add a 1/4 cup of water. Take your spatula, get it all mixed in there. I'm going to get everything coated. And I think that seasoning pack was like 98 cents or something like that. So, what are we up to now? $6? Something like that. $5. Okay. Now, all we got to do is throw the lid back on and turn the heat down just a little bit. Let it simmer for, I let it simmer for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. The pack says to says let it simmer 5. I like to let mine marinate better and longer, so I'm going to do that. If that's done, we're done. So when we get it done, we'll bring it back. Alright, y'all, we got the everything going here. Let this stuff sit a little bit. I got a few toppings, a little bit of Spanish rice, some sour cream, some guacamole salsa, and a little bit of cheddar cheese. So let's go ahead and make a couple of these things up. We don't want too much. Want the room for the rest of our, and I'm using just little shells, so a little bit of sour cream in here. A little bit of the sour cream, a little bit of the Spanish rice. A little bit of the guacamole salsa. And a little sprinkle of cheese. All right. All right. Let's do our taste test. All right, y'all. Got my fajita here. So we're going to give her a little taste test. So, that's goodness there, y'all. That's love. Ooh. So, there you have it. Family fajita night for under $10. You know, you can get all the different toppings everybody likes, but use that rotisserie chicken. It's cheap. And like I said, I only used half of it. So, you know, you got, you know, almost another meal for a couple people, another half a chicken. So, you know, booyah. It's great value. So, anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit the thumbs up, share it to your friends. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get the notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, in the shop, at the tractor pulls, or wherever we have to be doing whatever we happen to be doing. So, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.